Empower your business with a single integrated solution. Introducing our all-in-one ERP software built to simplify, automate, and elevate your business operations. Transform your industry with wider ERP. Start with the foundation. Masters module. Define and manage your core data effortlessly with masters like Store Master, Counter Master, Employee Master, Customer and Vendor Masters, Bank Master, and User Permissions, all securely handled and seamlessly integrated across the system. Next, Catalog Management. Define and organize product categories, brands, HSN codes, units of measure, UOMs, detailed product specifications, and flexible multi-tier price lists for efficient and scalable operations. Then, streamline your procurement process. From internal indents to purchase returns. Workflow includes every step: initial stock entry, purchase indent, purchase order, GRN inward, purchase invoice, and even returns, fully integrated for traceability, with comprehensive tracking listings. Next, track every stage of the sales process with precision. Quotation to delivery, sales order to invoicing, and returns. Comprehensive listings provide full visibility for tracking and performance analysis. Next, the CRM module handles sales inquiries with follow-ups. Track interactions and never miss an opportunity. Next, production planning covers every critical stage of manufacturing. From production planning and task scheduling to managing work in progress, WIP, and generating accurate packing lists, ensuring smooth, efficient, and traceable operations throughout the production cycle. Next, inventory management. Handle your stock operations with precision and real-time control. Includes stock conversion, stock in out, a streamlined staging process for direct stock in, material requests, and inventory adjustments, all seamlessly managed within the system. Next, the QA/QC module ensures quality at every stage of operations. Systematically inspecting and verifying all incoming and outgoing stock to maintain high standards and compliance. Next, job order management. Handle both sides of subcontracting with ease, from job orders in received from customers to job orders out issued to suppliers. Enjoy complete tracking, cost control, and process visibility throughout the workflow. Next, the HRMS module delivers comprehensive workforce management. With powerful features including HR dashboard, onboarding, HR masters, employee profiles, payment and leave structures, shift scheduling, attendance with regularization, approval workflows, payroll processing, payroll list, payment slips, payouts, and a file manager for easy document access. Next, the ePortal offers seamless access to essential digital compliance tools. Easily generate e-way bills to ensure smooth transportation of goods, and process e-invoices effortlessly, all fully compliant with the latest government regulations. Next, the Accounts module includes advanced accounting. Manage all your business finances in one place with the accounting module in wider ERP. From payments, invoices, and expenses to journal entries, PDC tracking, and bank reconciliation, everything is simple, organized, and fully integrated. Basic accounting includes customer payments and vendor payments, all seamlessly integrated with transaction workflows and comprehensive financial reporting. Next, analytics gives you real-time dashboards. View summaries, dues, enquiries, and insights across all modules at a single glance. Next, the Reports module provides powerful insights, including procurement reports, sales and customer reports, vendor and stock reports, GST filing reports, job order reports, financial statements, and many more custom reports at your fingertips. We also provide loyalty management, offer management, and incentive management. Create loyalty programs, track promotions, and reward your staff based on performance. Engage customers and motivate teams, all within one system. With wider ERP, you're not just investing in software. You're empowering your entire business with a smarter, faster, and more connected way to work. Our ERP software is designed for modern manufacturers, traders, and service providers. Whether you're scaling up or streamlining, this is your complete solution. Book a free demo today and take control of your entire business in one place. Visit www.zymofar.com. Call +9 17090665577. Email info@zymofar.com.